The
Oh
panda's
my
cute.
gosh, this panda
cute.
is amazing.
Isn't it?
Oh, I love it. I mean, obviously it's the same design as the previous Echo Dot. It's normal, but obviously it makes it more kid friendly. And it looks like they have some other features they're marketing with it here too, which is really cool. Amazon Math. Did you know that was a thing? You got Disney on here. You can ask I'm sorry, I shouldn't say her name. You can ask the lady who can help you questions. And then it's got DreamWorks on here as well, which is really, really cool. And it looks like it's a standard feature set for Echo Dot, but it's just tailored toward kids from a marketing perspective.
Right. So essentially this lets you add more parental controls to it. So you can control what games your kids are playing on there and whatnot. Like we kind of mentioned a little bit earlier, that, there's no really buttons on this for kids to mess up. So you really don't have to worry about them actually breaking the Echo. Everything's done through an app, so you can control what they're able to do. I know what a lot of parents find this useful is when they have reading assignments. If you're reading a book as a class, you can actually get this device to read the book while you're actually reading along with it, which always super helpful to me. So there is a lot of educational value to having a device like this around, and especially after this past year where education has just changed completely. This could actually be a high mark on that, and it allows you to incorporate more technology into educating your kids.
Oh my gosh, and look at this adorable image. There's a tiger one and there's a panda one. And look, you could even call your friend who's got the tiger one with your panda one, and you guys could talk. I remember in the 90s, I dreamed of having walkie-talkies with my buddies and being able to call them and talk to them. And it looks like you can tell your assistant, call my friend, and you can call each other. Come on, look at this. Is this not adorable friendships over the internet? You can grab a couple of these, connect with your friends, you can learn. Dude, I'm sorry guys, but the design that they put on these Echo Dots is just so effing adorable. How can you not love this thing? That this is the cutest technology device available on Amazon right now. And one thing I like here, you might be like, hold on a second, I don't want some creepy panda looking at my kid all day. You can just press the mic off button and disconnect the microphones in a little red ring.
He's not creepy. I take offense to that, sir.
I'm just saying, some people are worried about big tech monitoring their kids or whatever. You can just turn the microphone button off, guys, and it gives you that visual indicator that it's not listening to your kid. It's not listening to you reading bedtime stories to your kid. So you know that, Jeff Bezos isn't listening in on the convo here. If you are worried about that, it has that feature, which I personally am a big fan of Amazon going the extra mile, in my opinion, to put in these extra privacy features with their products. I think that's really important. And I think to me, that's a selling point of me putting this in my kid's room, knowing that I could hit a button, nobody's listening in, and it's just there as a utility for my family.
We're going to find out. I'm just going to refer to it as her when that word comes up because we want to go through the description here. So let's take a look at the new Echo Dot, the most popular smart speaker. With her, the sleek, compacted design delivers that crisp vocals with balanced bass for full sound. And by the way, we know that it can pick up sound from anywhere because it literally heard, mine's in another room and it heard it through my headphones literally a while ago. So this thing has some speakers on it, voice control all your entertainment from Amazon Music, Apple, Spotify, Sirius, literally any podcasting platform. It's basically on here, including audiobooks. And you can set it up through multiple different rooms. So if you walk into one room, it's going to keep playing if it's already playing in the other room. That's pretty slick. I remember 10 years ago, we would have killed for something like that.
Dude, does it have an LED strip along the top here? I'm looking at the product and it looks like when you're in this mute mode, the whole thing turns red on the top. That's pretty neat.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's, and this is, I don't have any experience with the smart home necessarily, kind of like the compacted everything together where all you have to do is say what you want and your house automatically reacts.
Yeah.
But this, you can actually control your smart home if you have that set up with this. You can connect to anybody. You can use it as a phone. I don't know if that's really a feature that too many people are going to be using, seeing as we already have phones literally everywhere we go now.
Well, you can Bluetooth
cool.
to it though.
Yeah,
so many people want to use speaker phones when they're talking to family and stuff. I mean, personally, we got the grandparents that we're always calling, and the speaker phones on your smartphone aren't that great. But the speaker on this is probably going to be a lot better. So you can actually talk to the grandkids, you can talk to family. And I got to be honest with you, speakerphone conversations are unbearable on a phone.
Really?
And I mean, in my experience, they're unbearable on a phone. But if you have a Bluetooth speaker, the amplification can make it at least bearable so you can understand what grandma and grandpa are saying. So that's a thumbs up in terms of that feature. Please continue.
Yeah, and what Amazon's really taking advantage of here is going into the business of not selling your information, even though she can hear you and she can react to you. That privacy is going to be essential, I think, especially now moving forward. So anytime you can have that extra sense of security with working with your smart home or your Amazon Echo, I think that's a huge plus.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.